About a week ago, Sparrows sent out a mass emailing announcing a whole bunch of brand new products. This is one of them. They call this the Scepter, and they advertise this as a lockpicking travel kit. And I've got to say, after playing with this is probably one of the most innovative things I've seen in a while, as well as what I consider to be a bargain. $24.95 for everything you're getting ready to see. It is as I said, a CNC machined aluminum tube, got knurling just all over this thing. Just beautiful, beautiful work. Threaded on both ends, externally on this end, we'll take a look at in a minute, and threaded internally on this end. Threaded internally because locks are threaded externally. I think you guys can figure out how that works. And then once we get the lock screwed all the way in, it could still come unscrewed, so Sparrows thought about that too. And they've given us two options. The first option are these little knobs. They give you two of these guys, and they just, if I can do it through the camera, they thread right in there like that. They're all going to protrude a little bit, but if you change the locks often, you're constantly switching them out, and you're using this, this instead of, say, a vise, that's really convenient to be able to quickly loosen it, remove the lock, put a new one in, and tighten it back down. If you're the kind of person that has a lock that you keep it mounted in there until you get the lock picked, it may be there a while. You don't want those knobs hanging out, so they give you another option, and that would be these little set screws, and they give you a little Allen wrench to go in there. So very aerodynamic, and nothing's going to snag anything hanging out of there. As I said, well knurled, and on the other end is a threaded end cap. Got the Sparrows logo. Very cool. So we spin that dude off, and you may as well use the handle for something. And of course, it's all hollow, and inside of there is where you put all of your lock picks. These picks do not come with this, but I wanted to see how much space there was, and there's a lot of space. This is an entire Sparrows tuxedo kit with all of the tensioners, and you can see you could probably fit 4 or 5 kits in there, or that number of picks. So a lot of space inside of here. Kind of nice because it is very comfortable to hold. Everything comes packed inside of this velvet Sparrows, very soft case. Very cool. All right, I have mounted one inside of here, another training lock. I have used the set screws on both sides. So as I said, very, very aerodynamic. And this one is empty. So let's see if we can't get this guy picked. This is the Sparrows training lock. So I don't know if I mentioned this, probably have. The handle is $24.95, and if you want to get a training lock, you can get that for $9.95 extra. So I've never been disappointed in the bidding, and this, again, is no exception. It's just super bidding for a training lock. It is, as you can see from the shape, a Schlage-style keyway, and a little bit paracentric. Let's see if we can get this guy picked. And this is probably where everything falls apart. Now, if you're holding just the cylinder, it's kind of a pain because you've got to put the tensioner in there, and then you've got to put your finger up like that, and you basically are doing everything you can to keep that lock pinched and tensioned. But obviously more handle, and it has this nice knurling. It's very comfortable to hold, and you can wrap your fingers all the way around it. Very nice. Now, we'll grab a pick. I'll grab a medium hook, which is what I usually use on Sparrows. So a little bit of tension, slide them all the way in, and let's see what we got here. Looking for a binder. I did pick one of these when I ordered the Sparrows spheres, the trophy spheres, and it did not have security pins, and I don't expect this one does either. That's pin 4, nice click, pin 5, and there we go. Got it open. It doesn't swing all the way over because the actuator is hitting on the side of the inside of the tube, but you can see it's open. Anyway, very comfortable to use. I do think, even if you buy the training lock, I still think it's quite a bargain. Very innovative, very nicely machined for that price. Anyway, guys, there you go. The Scepter from Sparrows. I've got 2 of these guys that I'll be giving away, each of them with a training lock. So this one's already mounted. Look at that. And I get the other one in here. I'll have 2 giveaways this week. If you guys would like to win, stick around. I will tell you how to register for the free giveaway. Thanks, guys. All you need to do is navigate to locklab.com, the tribal website, and scroll down in the middle of the page. You'll see all the giveaway buttons, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the one you're looking for is the Weekend Review giveaway, purple band. Just click on it. It'll take you to the registration page. Again, scroll to the bottom, put in a good email address, so if you win, I can get in touch with you, let you know. Put in a username, doesn't matter what it is, and click Submit. When you're done, you'll get a green check mark confirming your entry. Thanks, guys.